Hi guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the phrase может быть, or maybe. Let's say the first syllable with good Russian default mouth position, jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Мо, мо. In English, the letter O closes to an oo sound. O, O. But Russian does the opposite. It opens either from an O to an ah sound or from an oo to an O sound. O, O. The first syllable in our phrase is short and you don't hear too much opening, but listen to what happens if I close the O like someone from the US would. Может. Completely not Russian. So make sure to do a little opening if you want to sound Russian. Mozhet is pronounced with the tip of the tongue curved upward, but with the rest of the tongue low, making lots of space in the mouth. Zh, zh. The ye actually sounds like an flavored schwa, and the te sounds like a de in this phrase. To learn how to pronounce we first start with a real Russian u, jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. U, u. Then we relax only the lips, leaving the tongue where it was. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's do the second syllable. Jo tang lips. Zhid, zhid. Finally, for the last syllable, use more air for the te than you would in English, keeping the part of your tongue behind the tip close to the roof of your mouth. Ch. Let's do the last syllable. Jo tang lips. Быть, 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 быть. And now the whole thing. Jo tang lips. Может быть, может быть, может быть. Может быть, может быть, может быть. That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, join me on Patreon, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org, where I explain why some letters sound different in certain situations and how you can learn to predict and pronounce all of the subtleties. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!